Do you think it's possible to be sued for $1 million? Maybe you run a red light, or make a right turn without seeing pedestrians, or maybe your teenager fails to babysit the kids next door, or your dog decides to attack the mail carrier. Now, let's reverse the situation. What if one of these things happened to you? Wouldn't you need access to this money to recover? Wouldn't you seek compensation for damages done to you? So we ask the question again. Do you think it's possible to be sued for $1 million? Of course it would. Is it possible to be sued for damages you caused to others? Of course it is. When you're sued for money, your auto or homeowner's insurance covers the basic things and it has limits. And when that's exhausted, what are you going to do? Let's say, for example, that one night your teenage daughter babysits the toddler next door. Because she was too busy texting, she didn't realize that the toddler had fallen down a flight of stairs. Your neighbors sue you and the judge awards your neighbors $1 million for the toddler's chronic injuries. In this example, your homeowner's personal liability will cover up to $500,000. Where are you going to get that extra $500,000 that you're still on the hook for? Did you know they can garnish your wages and go after your assets? This is where an umbrella policy would come into play. They start at $1 million in coverage and go up from there, so when your personal liability is exhausted, then the umbrella policy would pick up the remaining amount you're still on the hook for. This is what an umbrella policy is, and this is how an umbrella policy works. When we asked if it's possible to be sued for $1 million, yes, it's definitely possible, because you would sue for $1 million too in the same situation. An umbrella policy gives you that added protection over and above the limits you currently have. But don't forget, you're also helping the people whose lives have been disrupted because of your actions. An umbrella policy covers you financially and makes you a good-hearted member of the community. For more information on an umbrella policy that fits you, contact Ansay Associates.